Snack. This week we're going to be making zucchini muffins. The materials you're going to need are a bowl, a cutting board, a knife, a teaspoon, a spatula, a whisk, a cheese grater, measuring cups, muffin tray, and baking cups. The ingredients you're going to need are 1½ cups of flour, 1 cup sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and zucchini. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, wash your zucchini and cut the ends off. Using a grater, grate your zucchini with the peel on. Keep grating until you have 2 cups. In a medium-sized bowl, mix all your dry ingredients. Start with 1.5 cups of flour. Then add 1 cup of sugar. Next, add 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Then add half a teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, and half a teaspoon salt. Mix until well combined. Next, in a measuring cup, add half a cup of vegetable oil. Crack 2 eggs and add them to the measuring cup. Whisk the mixture until combined. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Slowly begin adding the egg mixture to the dry ingredients, mixing as you go. The consistency will be doughy, but don't worry, we'll fix that. Begin folding the grated zucchini into the batter. Next, line a muffin tray with baking cups. Using a spoon or a ladle, begin filling the baking cups 3/4 full with the batter. Put them in the oven for around 20 minutes or until an inserted toothpick comes out clean. Wait for them to cool down, then transfer them to a baking rack, and there you have it, your very own zucchini muffins. I hope you enjoyed this week's Craft a Snack video. Here are the ingredients one more time. Join us next week for another recipe video.